Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside speakers, outside shower, dual bedroom nightstands, LED exterior lighting, electric stabilizer jacks, kitchen pantry, pleated shades, oven, entry grab handle, ducted AC, storage drawers under each booth, decorative kitchen backsplash, cable TV hookup, LED interior lighting, power awning, over-the-range microwave, drip spouts, rear bunkhouse with 4 beds, solar power prep, digital TV antenna, front bedroom, ball bearing drawer guides, water heater bypass, bathroom cabinet with mirror, vanity with sink, flip down travel rack, sink covers, range hood with exhaust fan and light, spare tire and carrier, dual lights over headboard, 2 entrances, bedside power outlets, shower skylight, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, backup camera ready, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, triple step entry, double door refrigerator, stainless sink, bathroom has private entrance to the outside, TV and DVD player, high-rise faucet, living room fireplace, U-shaped dinette, electric awning, 3-burner range, double slides, mirrored wardrobe doors, power tongue jack, walk-around queen bed, bathroom tub shower combo, bathroom toilet, closets on both sides of the bed, sleeps up to 9 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.